Here are 5 things you didn't know about the plague of Justinian. First, it killed 50 million people in just 8 years, wiping out nearly half of Europe's entire population between 541 and 549. This makes it one of the deadliest pandemics in human history. Second, bodies piled so high in Constantinople that Justinian's soldiers ran out of burial space. They had to dump corpses into abandoned towers and drag them out to sea on boats. Third, the plague killed 10,000 people per day in the capital, alone at its peak. Entire neighborhoods became ghost towns overnight. Fourth, it spread with terrifying speed along trade routes, reaching from China to Ireland in just 2 years. Fifth, and most shocking of all, this plague was caused by the exact same bacteria as the Black Death. Yersinia pestis struck Europe twice, 800 years apart. But the first outbreak was actually more devastating than the famous medieval pandemic. Europe faced the same biological nightmare twice.